Hi everybody, welcome back. Let's create some particles, emitted particles in Roblox Studio, a program where you can create Roblox experiences or Roblox games, that's to say. So to do this, click on Explorer and then click on the plus symbol next to workspace to create a new workspace, and then click on part to create a new part. And then afterwards, you click on the plus symbol for part and then type particle. And then click on particle emitter so that this part emits particles just like these. Ooh, pretty fancy. So click on particle emitter, and then afterwards you can do some tweaks with how the particles are going to look like, or how the particles are going to show up. So you can change the color by clicking on this one. So let's say if you want blue particles or maybe red, just like this. You can even make the red shade brighter and then click on OK when you're done, and then head over here again, and then afterwards you can do some tweaks with the size. The path of the particles is constant. So when I make a point here and then afterwards I increase this, so the particles are going to form this tapered stroke where this is much narrower than the center of the parts that has the particles, which is thicker. And then you can adjust the level just like this so that it's thinner or thicker. I personally prefer a thinner one. So when you're done, click on close. You can even change the emission direction to, let's say, it's going to the top, so if we change the direction, it will go to the back, to the bottom, which we can't see, to the front even, left, right, and then top, which is set as default. So you can even change the lifetime. So okay, the shorter it is, then the height of the area filled with particles is going to be much shorter, just like this. And then if we increase the rate, it's going to be much thicker, just like this. Fancy. You can adjust the rotation of the emission. Wait a minute. Alright, this will do. So it doesn't do anything, so let's leave this here. And then we can also increase the speed by dragging the slider for speed, just like this. Ooh, fancy. And then you can even change the shape of the emitter, like cylinder, disc, or sphere. Pick the shape of the emitter so that you can have the particle emission that you want, whether it's scattered or just constant, just like this. That's pretty much it about how you can create particles in Roblox Studio so that you can create Roblox experiences or Roblox games. It will do so well if you want to, let's say, make something mesmerizing so that the Roblox users can go to the spot which has these particles that are being emitted. That's how you can do it. Thanks for watching, guys. Give it a like, comment, and don't forget to subscribe to the channel. But for me, it's good day. Ciao. Ooh, fancy.